Hey folks, how's it going? I'm Paul. I'm the founder and creative director here at Craft Words, and this is the first video in our new Ask Me Anything series. We're not doing this with amazing studio setup or lighting or sound or anything. We're just right here in the Craft offices in Madrid. We're just going to kind of go a little bit off the cuff, a little bit rough and ready, and just jump into it. So the first question that we've had in this Ask Me Anything series comes from Maria, one of my students on the copywriting course that I teach here in Madrid. She asked, can I think of any funny moments from my career in advertising? Well, that's a interesting and could be a potentially long, strange and possibly litigious answer, but there is one that kind of always pops up. When I was working at AKQA, we worked on a campaign for Nike Rugby, and the idea was to launch the new purple rugby shirt. Now, as part of the perks of that project, we got to go to the England International at Twickenham. So it was kind of nice. We were all sat there thinking, yeah, this is quite cool. And the copy we wrote came up on the pitchside advertising boards. So I'm there thinking, oh, this is quite cool. My copy's kind of coming up. We're here. This is all right. I'm liking this. And just at that moment, a guy in front starts reading the copy out loud. And I think, wow, this guy's reading my copy. You know, we've really engaged this guy. He's really kind of got into it. He gets to the last line, which I remember was "Wear it proud." And at that point, I was feeling pretty proud, feeling pretty happy with myself. And he reads this line, "Wear it proud," turns to the guy next to him, to his mate, and just says, "Who writes this absolute crap?" And then just at that moment, I kind of just sank back down into my chair, and my pride and my feelings of being this amazing advertising genius just kind of sank back to reality. So that's it. That's kind of my funny story. And the moral, I guess, is never get too big for your boots. Never think that you've kind of made it and you're crushing it, because someone will always bring you back down to earth. And hey, don't take this stuff too seriously. It's fun. We put our hearts and souls into it, and we care about the work. But ultimately, there'll always be someone who doesn't quite see it the same way as you, and that's all right. Okay, that's our first Ask Me Anything. Please put any questions down here in the comments, and we'll answer another one in a week or so. All right, take care. Bye-bye.